Hello friends, welcome to the GitLab tutorial. We'll be seeing how to register an account with GitLab first. Just click on set your trial, and then you can fill the form with the details required to sign up with GitLab. It'll provide you with 60-day tutorial. Otherwise, you can also use the SAML login. So I'll be using Google authentication, and I'll just select my account for this. So it has sent the verification code to my email, so which I'll validate. Okay, so that's validated. I'll move next, and verification is successful. And it'll ask you a couple of things like selecting a role. So you can select any role. So I'll go with DevOps engineer. Uh, yeah, so I'm signing up for GitLab because you can choose any reason. So maybe I can select this option. So here we can explain like, are we creating it for the company or for me? So you just go with this option and continue. And again, you have to fill about your company and all. So I'll just skip these things. We can see these three fields are required. So I'll just fill these details. Just select anything, country or region. I'll just select Singapore, which is my current region. And okay, so this form is again to create a project. So I'll just mention maybe CI/CD project. The project name I can give it here actually, and group name I can give is again under SecOps. You can give any name of your choice. So for getting started, this is optional, but you can again choose your template. So maybe I can just go with this one and create project. So we can see how we have registered the GitLab account, and again you can select the usernames and all. So here actually with the usernames and all other things, you can invite others with the username or email address. Again, you can select the maximum role which they must be having, and again, what is the expiration date. So the particular user or the role will be expired to that particular date. So for now, I'll just leave that.